Back in 2018, Tesla completely ended its free lifetime supercharging offer, but now it looks like the automaker is bringing it back. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. After the initial discontinuation of the offer, Tesla kept giving its customers some perks for certain promotions since then. For instance, it brought back free supercharging for Model S and X a couple of times in 2019. Now the automaker's latest offer is for new purchases for a Model 3 Premium or Performance vehicle in North America. On its website, Tesla has announced that it's including 1 year of free supercharging with a Model 3 Premium or Performance, though the offer is subject to change or end at any time. As Electric notes, this is a nice freebie to have, but most likely not a deciding factor for people who charge at home. However, for those who don't have access to a home charger, this could mean significant savings. The free supercharging offer starts at delivery and cannot be postponed or redeemed for cash. Owners will also still have to pay certain fees, such as congestion fees that the automaker adds if a vehicle remains plugged into a supercharger after its battery reaches 80% when a site is busy. Plus, the offer doesn't apply to vehicles used for commercial purposes, such as ride-sharing, taxi, and delivery services. As for those who traded in their gas vehicles to get the 2,000-mile supercharging incentive, they can enjoy this freebie first and redeem those miles after their first year of ownership. Tesla's really going out of his way to make itself wildly popular than it already is with these kinds of offers and promotions. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.